When somebody make you mad, you just whiplash. Don't mess with me. Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a series where I recreate trending or viral hairstyles that I see on social media platforms. That social media platform could be Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media platform you can think of. That's where I'm pulling these hairstyles from. So today I'm actually going to be recreating a style that I saw on one of my line sisters pages. She is a celebrity hairstylist. She did this long braid with decorations in it that I thought was just so cute. So I'm actually gonna recreate that today. If you're interested in watching me recreate this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So y'all, this is gonna be super duper simple. I feel like anybody can do this with any length because I'm actually gonna add extensions to my hair for this. Now, I do not want to hear it, okay? I know I got, medium length to long hair, but I don't want to hear it. I want longer hair for this style. So do not come for me in these comments when you see me put this ponytail in my head, okay? We good? We good. All right. So first, what I'm going to do is actually mold this down because you got to have a sleek, sexy ponytail for this, okay? So it starts with all the foundation here. So what I'm going to do is take my shining gel and put that on my hair to, like I said, make the base really neat and secure. And the only reason I'm putting all this product right here is because my hair needs washing. It's time for me to wash it out, this right here. And I'm kind of missing my curly hair. I mean, I like the straight hair because, it's easier to manage and deal with, but, I'm missing a little definition. So I'm just gonna put that all right through here. I'm gonna brush it down with a hard brush. Oh, y'all see them? You see that? They gotta go too. Dang, the kitchen's in the back be disrespectful, don't it? All right. So I'm about to have like one of them big old ghetto swoops. So I'm gonna take 2 black rubber bands. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to feel this through. So I'm gonna kind of put this toward the side with the double rubber bands. All right, so gotta mold this a little more. And that's the good thing about having straight hair because you don't really have to do a whole lot to mold this right here. All right, so this is what I'm working with without the extensions. I know it's long, but it's not, it's not thick like I want it to be. So I'm gonna add some canicolon braiding hair that I had left over from when I did my goddess braids. If you want to check that video out, I will link it down below. So what I'm gonna do is take 2 little black rubber bands and try to loop this through to kind of connect it here. And I'm gonna lay the hair on top of it. You see black rubber bands under here. And I'm gonna pull it through this way. Pull that through. So there we go. Or however you wanna make your slip knot, you can, whatever. And so I'm gonna take this and put it around my ponytail here. So there we go, it's connected. But I'm gonna take a piece here and wrap it around. So that's like that. Y'all, you wouldn't be able to tell me nothing I had held like this. Y'all see this? But the interesting thing about that, what she had was a little small braid. Oh, this y'all nappy. So what I'm gonna do here is like plait this down. See, it's just a long braid. So I got this braided, so I'm gonna try to keep this out the way. So I think I'm just gonna clip it to my shirt. Yeah. And then my hair has some flyaways, so just because I just cut it. So I'm gonna put a bunch of shining jam on my hands. So as I'm braiding it down, hopefully my hair won't stick out of this braid. And you really want to make sure that tails of the braid are even, so you can get like a seamless looking plait. And I'm trying to like tuck my hair in this plait. I'm pretty sure there's better ways to do this, but since I'm not a hairstylist, I don't know. All right, still going, y'all. All right, y'all, so right now we got this long braid, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I actually like the braid like this. Like minus this little braid right here, I think this little long braid kind of cute. But anyways, it's not the purpose of the style. So what I'm gonna do is actually take this braid and spread it out. And you wanna make sure that when you do this plait that you don't do it so tight where you can't spread it out, because you'll see the purpose of this braid in a minute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this braid and put it on top here. You see how this looking? That's what it look like. All right, so now that I got this braid and I connected it at the bottom, I'm going to take some hair jewelry and pin it in. I think she has some hoops on hers, so that's what I'm gonna put on there. And I'm also going to add some rhinestones to the middle braid too. Just want to remind y'all, my hair is not in this small braid, okay? That is why I can put all this crap on it. So just a close up, this is what it's looking like right now. So, since the braid is done, what I'm gonna do is lay my edges. And I'm gonna use Eco Styler gel for that. So y'all, this is the finished look. I mean, y'all, we are molded. Do you see? Check me out, check me out. I think this is so cute. I mean, I don't think it's realistic. It does look, you know, kind of editorial. But, I mean, look. I mean, somebody make you mad, you can just whiplash. Don't mess with me. The braid is like a serpent. I'm here for it. I am here and I am molded. Edges, earrings, rhinestones. Yes. My husband gonna hate this though. He hate fake hair. He hate it. He be like, why you got your own hair? Why you wanna wear fake hair? Because I can do stuff like this with fake hair, okay? I mean, look how disrespectfully long this ponytail is. I love it. I love it. I mean, I feel like anybody could do this because the length of your hair doesn't matter for this style. Here's a look of the back. So what I'm gonna do is actually show you the inspirational picture. Do you think I did good? Do you think I did bad? I mean, this I feel like is very dope, like very dope. So if you like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna keep doing these hairstyles now. Like, when I see something and I feel like it's really cute, I try to recreate it. So that is the purpose of this series. Make sure you click that bell so you get notified every time I post something. But I will see y'all in the next video.